Do you know you can create unlimited Google Gmail account with your smartphone without a phone number verification? So in this video, I'll be mentoring you step by step on how you can create your Gmail account. You can create more than 50 Gmail accounts with your smartphone without a phone number verification. So before I proceed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, drop a comment, like, and make sure if you have any question, make sure you drop it in the comment section so I can reply you there and answer your question. So let's dive into the video.
So firstly, go to your phone search bar to search for Play Store, then click on it. So search for this VPN, then install it. As for me, I've installed it already, but I have to update it. So after you have downloaded the app, open it, then click on the on button. So you are going to create the Gmail. Go to your Gmail. Okay, search for Chrome. Update your Chrome also. So click on open. So you look for the Chrome. We're gonna clear the storage and that cache. So we click on clear cache. After, swipe it away and look for Chrome. So search for Google, create Google Gmail account. Click on the search bar. So click on the first one. So swipe up, swipe down, and click on create an account. Create an account. So click on create account. For personal use, for my personal use, yes. So you type your first name, second, and your last name. So click on next. Insert your date of birth, month, day, and year, and click on your gender. So insert the style you want to use for your Gmail, and click on next, and insert your password. Then click on next. Then click on next. Swipe up and click I agree. Click on next. I agree. As you can see, our Google Gmail account have been created.